Hey everybody, Brian here from Solid Woodworks. Today I wanted to show you the 5th generation 4Runner second row delete plate. So what we have done here is when you have your drawer system installed and you want to have a little bit more storage and length of a bed system back here and you're just really not using your second row, it is super easy to install our second row delete plate. So what you're going to do first is remove your second row seats. There's 4 bolts down in the front right here underneath your seat bottom fronts. Once you remove those, we have these 30-degree brackets that we'll show you down here that attach to those bolt locations. You'll purchase our second row delete, which will come with this upright piece and some extended bed extensions. This gives you, off of the back of your system, another 34 inches. When you have the entire system, your drawer system and the bed, you'll be 6 foot, just over 6 foot, 6'1" in your sleeping area. You'll still have the same width of your sleeping area right here, 41 inches, but underneath here, there's a ton of room. If you can come down here, you can see how much more space you would have for your sleeping area, for your storage area underneath the sleeping area. You got about 11 inches of height down here, and left to right, you got another 24 inches of space, which is amazing to have this much more storage for a couple boxes, shoes, food, camping gear underneath here. If you do not need your second row seats and you do a lot of camping with a bed in, this is the option for you.